Why does your scanner show the P2428 engine code? What does it mean? P2428 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas temperature too high bank 1. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a problem with the exhaust temperature sensor or its related circuit in the exhaust system of the first cylinder bank, possibly due to a faulty sensor, wiring issues, or an exhaust system malfunction. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor, wiring and connector issues, exhaust leaks, engine overheating, malfunctioning powertrain control module. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Vauxhall, Toyota, and Hino models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.